Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Have you ever questioned how safe it is to be an Airbnb host? It's a valid query. Airbnb offers a unique opportunity to homeowners, a chance to earn extra income. But with this opportunity comes potential risks. It's crucial to be aware of these risks and know how to alleviate them. Understanding host safety and security is not just about protecting your property, it's about ensuring your peace of mind. This video will provide insights and practical tips to ensure your safety and security as an Airbnb host. First, let's delve into guest security and privacy concerns. It's no secret that balancing guest safety and privacy is a delicate dance. Consider the case of a seasoned Airbnb host from London. She perfectly embodies this balance by respecting her guests' privacy while ensuring their safety. To ensure her guests' security, she installed security cameras, but here's the trick. She placed them only in common areas like the entrance and living room. Bedrooms, bathrooms, and other private spaces were strictly off-limits. This way, she could monitor any suspicious activities without infringing on her guests' personal space. Moreover, she was transparent about these security measures. Before their stay, she informed her guests about the security cameras and their locations. This way, the guests knew they were being protected, yet their privacy wasn't compromised. It's all about striking a balance. Remember, as a host, it's crucial to create an environment where guests feel safe and their privacy respected. Now, how do you protect your home and belongings while hosting? Let's dive into a story. Meet Jane, an Airbnb host who had an unfortunate experience when a guest accidentally damaged a valuable antique. This incident highlighted the importance of securing valuable items and creating a home inventory. If you're like Jane, you've got items that hold sentimental or monetary value. These precious items should be stored securely out of sight, or even better, off the property when guests are staying. It's not about mistrust, but rather about preventing accidents and misunderstandings. Next, let's talk about having a detailed home inventory. This is a comprehensive list of everything you own, with descriptions and photos. If something goes missing or is damaged, you'll have a record. It's a bit of work, but it's worth it, especially if you need to make an insurance claim. Speaking of insurance, do you have a home insurance policy that covers short-term rentals? If not, it's time to consider one. It can provide a safety net in case of property damage or theft. Alternatively, Airbnb offers their host guarantee, which covers up to $1 million in damage. However, it's not a replacement for homeowners or renters insurance, so consider both for maximum protection. Taking these steps can provide a robust shield for your property. It's about being proactive, not reactive. Prevention is always better than cure, and by protecting your home and belongings, you're also protecting your peace of mind. Taking these steps can help protect your property and give you peace of mind. Emergencies and unexpected situations can occur. Are you prepared? Now, let's delve into how to handle such instances. Imagine a scenario where a guest has a minor accident or, heaven forbid, a natural disaster strikes. It may sound daunting, but with the right preparation, you can effectively manage these situations. Take, for instance, the case of a host named Jane. When her guest slipped and sprained an ankle, Jane was ready. She had a first aid kit on hand, and she knew the quickest route to the nearest hospital. Her readiness not only helped her guest, but also saved her a world of trouble. This underscores the importance of being well prepared. Have emergency contact numbers at your fingertips. Know your local hospital, police station, and fire department. Equally vital is having an evacuation plan in place. This could be a simple map showing the safest route out of your home. Being prepared for emergencies can ensure the safety of both you and your guests. So, how safe is it to be an Airbnb host, you might ask? Well, we've covered a lot of ground today, and it's clear that hosting isn't without its challenges. Yet it's also clear that with the right measures, it can be a rewarding and secure experience. Recall our discussion on managing guest security and privacy concerns. By maintaining clear communication and setting boundaries, you're not only ensuring your guests feel safe, but you're also protecting your own interests. We also talked about safeguarding your home and belongings. Remember, it's not just about locking doors and cabinets. It's about creating a safe space that your guests can respect and enjoy. And of course, we explored dealing with emergencies and unexpected situations. Being prepared and having a plan in place can make all the difference. With these measures in place, you can confidently host guests and make the most of your Airbnb experience.